this one's bottoms up. Oh.
MG. What is this?
Oh, wait. Welcome back to our channel. Mami Applez here, and we have Ate Kayla. For today's video, it's a very special video because today I got a package! Yes! I got a package today delivered by LBC, and we're going to unbox it! Yes, we're gonna unbox it. And then we're gonna show you kung ano ang laman ng mystery package na ito. Yes! I'm so happy dahil dumating na tong package na ito. And I am very grateful dahil isa ako sa mga napadala ng package na ito. So mamaya i-reveal natin while unboxing it kung ano ang laman at kung saan ito galing. So come on and join us unboxing this package. Yes!
It's time.
So ayan, opened it and oh, talagang mukhang mystery.
It's a blue box.
It's in a blue box. And
It's a mystery package.
shake, shake, shake. So open natin ang ating package.
There's tape, so we have to
Yes,
cut
so
it still.
mga secured with the tape. Ayan. Wait. Ayan. This one's bottoms up. Oh.
MG. What is this?
Oh, wait. Oops. We got a... Woo! Look at this, guys. Kita nyo ba? Oh,
What's that,
yan.
Mom? I don't know what's that.
So, they also got 2 pens.
Okay.
Yan. Kita nyo na kung kanino galing ang ating package.
What's that, Mom?
So, buksan natin.
I can't see it really from the bubble wrap.
So, it got bubble wrap para hindi mabasag. Wait, anak, baka magunting ka.
Let's rip this.
Wait. There's more tape.
There's more tape. A bunch of tape. This is the first box, tape. Now this have tape. Why?
That's easy.
It looks like it's a product.
Ayan.
Guys, it's a
Yeah,
product.
it's a product.
From them.
So, the first product is...
What is this?
Yeah, ayan.
It's a toothpaste.
It's a Kewpie dressing. It's a Kewpie mango dressing. Yan, guys. Kita nyo ba? Yes. Thank you, Kewpie. Yes, you heard it right. How to pronounce this word? Yan. So, ayokong mapahiya. How to pronounce this one? So, it's pronounced as Kewpie. Yan. So, we got the Kewpie dressing. The new Kewpie mango dressing. So, ito yung bagong dressing na, bagong product ng Kewpie. Yeah, this is the new product of Kewpie. And thank you, Kewpie, for sending us para ma-try namin ang bago ninyong product. So, I'm so excited to try this one.
What's
And
this?
we also got, meron pa sila, hindi lang siya ang nakuha natin. We also got this one.
And two.
Ang cute nito.
It's a
It says,
piping
Kewpie chili sauce and mayonnaise.
You can see there's a cut
Yeah.
part. So it's actually a piping
There's
bag.
a piping bag there. So, I think this is ideal pang lagay mo na sa mga sandwiches.
Yeah.
Kasi, when you cut this open, yan, just sa dulo, ayan o, may line dyan, cut it
If you
there.
can see that.
If you cut it there, then you can just, anak, you can just easily squeeze it like that. Mix na together yung
It's like
chili
a pie.
sauce mo. So, I'll search it first. Siyempre, thank you dito sa ating Kewpie mango dressing. Ito ang pinakabagong product ni Kewpie ngayon. So, ito try natin siya later on. And we're gonna vlog it also. And, you know, we all know naman na kilala ang Kewpie sa kanilang Japanese mayo. Yes, that's our favorite Japanese mayo. Kewpie Japanese mayo yung ginagamit namin sa salad dressing like kani salad. Ginagamit din namin siya sa baked sushi. And minsan ginagamit ko rin siya para sa dip. Nagagawa ko ng dip. So, yan. Maraming gamit si Japanese mayo. And very, very rich ang Kewpie Japanese mayo. So, meron din silang isa pang product. Yung spicy cheese sauce. So, sa mga spicy lovers dyan, and that's a very unique and different sauce to try. Masarap din siya. And ang favorite namin is the roasted sesame. So, bukod dun sa Japanese mayo, one of our favorite din na product ng Kewpie is the roasted sesame. Super, napaka-umami talaga ng lasa ni roasted sesame. You should all try it with your salad. Yes. So, ngayon, itong Kewpie mango dressing, hindi ko alam kung paano pa siya gamitin. But I guess, masarap to sa salad din. Like, kuha ka lang ng mga greens, like the yung lettuce and chopped mangoes, then put mangoes there. Parang sa mango salad din. Mango kani salad yan. Masarap din to. Kumbaga parang may strawberry version, meron namang mango version. So, masarap yun. And I guess pwede rin tong magamit sa mga desserts, not just for the salads. I guess we could also use this and try this sa salad. Ay, sorry, salad tuloy. Sa dessert like pancakes or ano bang crepe. Yan, crepe. So, we will try it and we will vlog it also and upload. So, ayun na nga. Thank you again, Kewpie. So, you heard it right. That's how you pronounce it. Kewpie for sending us this product samples para matry namin. Thank you for choosing Mommy Apples to try on your products. At syempre, kaya pala ako napadala ng Kewpie ng product nila because I joined their parang contest or promotional MMS sa Facebook page nila. So, don't forget to visit their Facebook page, Kewpie Philippines, and like and follow their page para sa mga iba't ibang products at iba't ibang mga giveaways nila. So, I am the lucky one. I'm the one of the 60 chosen winners na makatry ng Kewpie product na ito. Thank you again, Kewpie, for choosing Mommy Apples to be the one to try, paulit-ulit, na matry itong product na to. So, ayun lang. Thank you, Kewpie! Don't forget nga pala guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and watch out for all our videos, for our travel videos, cooking vlogs, food trip vlogs, and everything about our family. And hope you enjoy watching for our unboxing today. At sana panoorin nyo pa ang iba naming mga videos and upcoming videos. Don't forget to comment down below kung ano pa ang gusto nyo mga products na pwede namin i-review, kung gusto nyo may mga products na i-review, or places na i-visit namin, or kainan naming lugar. Huwag kayong mahiyang mag-comment down below. So again, Mommy Apples here. Ay, don't forget to also to follow and like Mommy Apples or Cine Facebook page, and Mommy Apples Instagram and TikTok. Yes. So, hindi lang po tayo sa YouTube. Meron din po tayong FB page. Meron din po tayong Instagram and TikTok. And so again, thank you all for watching and hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Thank you, Kewpie. Enjoy!